Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Do not forget to share with your friends. So let's get started with the today's topic. In this video we're going to discuss about the associative property of rational numbers. In the previous videos we already discussed the closure property and commutative property of rational numbers. Associative property also involves addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's check for addition. Is addition associative? If it is associative, then it must satisfy the given condition, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. So you are adding b plus c first, then whatever the answer you get you add with a. Here you will add a plus b first, then whatever the resultant you get from a plus b you add with c. Later you have to compare whether the answer you got here matches or whether it is equal to the answer of a plus b plus c or not. So let's check using one simple example, that is a is equals to 1 by 3, b is equals to minus 3 by 6, c is equals to 2 by 3. When we add them in the order of LHS, this is the order of LHS, that is where we are going to add b plus c first, then we are going to add with a. So we wrote in the order of the LHS, that is 1 by 3 plus minus 3 by 6 plus 2 by 3. We are adding b plus c, that is minus 3 by 6 plus 2 by 3 first. After the addition, you just need to cross multiply. It is simple cross multiplication. 3 3s are minus 9 plus 6 2s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18 plus 1 by 3 as it is. Now whatever the resultant you get from here, you are supposed to add with this number. Now let's add, that is minus 9 plus 12 is 3 divided by 18 plus 1 by 3. After the addition, cross multiplication, you will get 18 ones are 18 plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 18 3s are 54. So you will get 27 by 54. We got the answer for LHS. Now check for RHS. A plus b plus c is equals to 1 by 3 plus minus 3 by 6 plus 2 by 3. Here we will add a plus b first, then whatever the result we get, we will add it with c. So cross multiplication, 6 ones are 6, 3 3s are 9, minus sign, 6 minus 9 divided by 6 3s are 18 plus 2 by 3 as it is. Minus 3, that is 6 minus 9 is minus 3 divided by 18 plus 2 by 3. This after cross multiplication, 3 3s are minus 9, 18 2s are 36 divided by 18 3s are 54. Now after this simplification you will get 27 by 54. When you compare LHS with RHS, you can see that the values are absolutely equal. So you can say that addition is associative property. Now we will move on to subtraction. Is subtraction associative? If it is associative, then it has to satisfy the condition of a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Here we are going to subtract b minus c first, then we are going to perform with a. Here we are going to perform the operation of subtraction with a minus b, a and b, then with c. So let's check with the same example. A is equals to 1 by 3, b is equals to minus 3 by 6, c is equals to 2 by 3. When we subtract b minus c first, we will get minus 9 minus 12 divided by 18, which is minus 21 by 18. Now let's subtract the b minus c value with a. So when we subtract them, we get minus into minus becomes plus. When we multiply to negative, it becomes the positive. So a positive sign 1. Now just cross multiply, that is 18 ones are 18, 21 into 3s are 63 divided by 18 3s are 54. After the addition we get 81 divided by 54. Now let's check for RHS. What happens when we subtract a minus b then with c? So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Let's subtract this first. When we subtract this first, this minus into minus becomes plus. 1 by 3 plus 3 by 6. Let's cross multiply. That is 6 ones are 6 plus 3 threes are 9 divided by 6 threes are 18 minus 2 by 3. The 9 plus 6 is 15 divided by 18 minus 2 by 3. Now let's again cross multiply to subtract the rational numbers. That is 75. 15 threes are 75. 18 twos are 36 divided by 18 threes are 54. So you can see what we got here, 39 divided by 54. That is 75 minus 36 is 39 divided by 54. You can compare LHS with RHS. It doesn't satisfy the condition of equals. So it is not equal to each other. A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So subtraction is not associative. Now we will move on to the multiplication of associative property. Is multiplication associative? If it is associative, then it must satisfy the following condition, that is A multiplied with B multiplied with C is equals to A multiplied with B multiplied with C. So let's check with an example. A is equals to 1 by 3, B is equals to minus 1 by 2, C is equals to 2 by 3. When we multiply in the order of LHS, that is we will multiply B into C first, then with A. So let's check. 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, which will give us 1 by 3 into minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 divided by 2 3s are 6. So after the multiplication of A into B into C, we will get minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 divided by 6 3s are 18. So we got the answer for LHS. Now let's check for RHS. A into B into C is equals to 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. We will multiply A into B first, that is minus 1 divided by 6 into 2 by 3. After the multiplication, we get minus 2 divided by 18. You can compare both LHS and RHS value. You can see that both the values are same. Hence, multiplication is associative. Now we will move on towards the division of associative property. Is division associative? If it is associative, then it should satisfy the condition of A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided by C. Here you have to multiply, you have to divide this portion of equation first. Then with this, whatever the answer you get here, you have to divide it by A. So let's check. A is equals to 1 by 3, B is equals to minus 1 by 2, C is equals to 2 by 3. When we divide minus 1 by 2 with 2 by 3, we get, in the numerator of course we'll get minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. When we take this denominator to the numerator, it becomes the reciprocal. So minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, it gives us minus 3 by 4. When we divide 1 by 3 by minus 3 by 4, we get 1 by 3 into 4 divided by minus 3, which is 4 divided by minus 9. Let's check for the RHS value, that is A divided by B divided by C. So let's check whether we get the same answer or not, whether it satisfies the given equation or not. So when we divide 1 divided by 3 by minus 1 by 2, we get 1 by 3 divided by minus 1 by 2. When we take this denominator to the numerator, it will become the reciprocal of what it is. So it becomes 1 divided by 3 into 2 divided by minus 1 divided by 2 by 3. When we divide this, we get 2 divided by minus 3. That is getting divided by 2 by 3. When we divide them, we get minus 1. It's simple. You are cancelling out 3 and 3, 2 and 2. You have your minus sign. So whatever is remaining is 1. You have minus sign. Write the minus sign and 1. So you can compare LHS with RHS, 4 divided by minus 9 is not equal to minus 1. Hence, division is not associative. It satisfies this equation. So, division is not associative. In this video, we discussed about the associative property of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we came to the conclusion that addition and multiplication are associative, subtraction and division are not associative. In the next video, we will discuss about the distributive property of rational numbers. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching Learn with Sumi.